Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am back today with a couple freebies I got from scrapbook.com and then my sticker foil subscription from sLo Planning. And first I'll show you what I got from scrapbook.com. They had some freebies last week. And first we get the holiday gift guide. Lumberjack plaid, huh? So super cute little gift guide. And then these I think I got for maybe $2-3. They're just Memorydex tabs. And I just use them as regular Memorydex cards. Let's see what they look like. So they're all gold foiled. So cute, pure happy. Change is good. Little designs. This is our bliss. Dream chaser. Some hearts. The good life. Hello, which has two, date and then a note. And then capture life. So just on clearance, and I use those all the time, so I thought I would show you. And then we get the scrapbooking cards. This is the winter 2022. So you get a nice magazine, all kinds of ideas in it. And then they also had this glitter brush marker. That was free. Let's see if I have some paper. Oh, I'll just use this back of this. It just unscrews, and then you have to screw it all the way in to, I think, to release the ink. Oh no, it says push. Oh, there you go. So it must be in now. And you just push it, I think. I don't know, I'll have to work on it and see how we get it to work. So those are from scrapbook.com. And then I got my foil subscription from sLo Planning. My dog is whining because Greg is in the bedroom and she wants him, and we don't let her back in our bedroom. So we have sLo's Planning, and it's foiled in silver. We have a freebie from Nerds the Word. And then a freebie from Sticker Designs by Mel. And then she always sends us a washi sample. And then we get the weekend banner in silver foil. Some headers in silver foil. Ooh, these are cute. Little boxes and circles. Then we got some bills due in silver foil, some days of the week in gray and blue, and then some weekend banners, both in the blue and the gray. So that is my scrapbook.com order and freebies, and then my sLo Planning. If you enjoyed this video, be sure and give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing. Click that little bell so you get notified of when I upload new content. And I'll be back soon with another crafty, planner, or beauty video.